Hello, welcome to this video on an unforgettable road trip to Kodaikanal where nature had its own wild plans. Our journey began with a dramatic landing at Coimbatore, piercing through thick clouds, setting the tone for the adventure ahead. As we drove through Pollachi, the skies opened up. Rains lashed down, turning the road trip into a monsoon thrill ride. Climbing the Ghat section to Kodaikanal, we were literally driving through clouds. And some clouds were above us, some below, with every bend more breathtaking than the last one. Visibility dropped, thick fog surrounded us, fallen trees blocked half the road, but the eerie beauty of the hills kept us going. Finally, by 7:30 p.m., tired but awestruck, we reached our cozy Kukul stay. And what about the journey? Unforgettable but very adventurous. Just minutes away from our stay in pitch darkness and no mobile signal, a massive bison appeared out of nowhere, blocking our path. The fear was real. We turned off the engine, dimmed the headlights, and held our breath, waiting for it to leave. Nature had the final say. We also recorded this video to locate the bison, to know its position, to know if we could leave safely, because it was so dark that we could hardly see with our naked eyes. And day two began with a magical sunrise over Kukal Valley, and later we explored the charm of Pumbarai village. After witnessing this beautiful sunrise, we had our breakfast and then we headed to Pumbarai village. village feels like stepping into a serene painting, where rolling hills meet lush terraced fields. The fresh mountain air and quaint homes welcome you to slow down and soak in simple village life. It's a peaceful escape that stays with you long after you leave. On our way back from Pumbarai, we stumbled upon the hidden beauty of Kukal Lake, calm, reflective, and untouched. Just beyond the Kukal Lake, the Kukal grasslands stretched endlessly, golden, windswept, and whispering tales of solitude. A quiet detour, yet one of the most soul soothing moments of the entire journey. After a quick afternoon nap, we stepped out to a scene straight out of a dream. Clouds hovered above, casting moving shadows, like nature's spotlight gently sweeping across Kukal Valley. It was calm, surreal, and impossibly beautiful. The kind of view that makes you pause and just breathe. With hearts full and memories made, we bid goodbye to peaceful Kukal and began our journey back to the bustling charm of Kodaikanal. We kicked off our Kodaikanal circuit, Little Falls, Pillar Rocks, Guna Caves, Moya Point, and circled back to the heart of town. As we prepared to leave Kodaikanal, we rose early to soak in its morning magic. Kodai Lake, Coker's Walk, and quiet skies. After soaking in all these beautiful views, we began our descent to Coimbatore, and the drone took flight, capturing clouds drifting over endless valleys. The landscape unfolded like a painting, each frame more surreal than the last. And then, miles of windmills along the Polachi Udumalpet road, spinning beneath a wide open sky. Pure magic. If you loved this content, hit like, share it with your gang, and subscribe for more epic escapes. Your support fuels our next adventure. Thank you.